Hello guys, good evening. Right now it is how much time, Hiram?
6:55.
Yes, no,
It's
5:55.
5:55.
Almost
Sorry.
5:55 o'clock evening. And which date, Hiram?
Huh?
Which date is today?
I think 22.
22nd of January. Okay, 2026. So in this video, I am with this wonder kid. His name is Hiram. Hiram, you told me that Hiram is the name of Lord Ganesha.
Yes.
Which name it is? 34?
38.
38th name of Lord Ganesha is Hiram, and his name is also Hiram. He is in only 4th class, 4th standard.
What?
And I'm so sure that in future he is having a very bright future, because he's only in 4th standard and his English is very good. He got first in his school in Olympiad. His AIR is 72nd in Olympiad. Again, Hiram, we'll talk about your achievements.
Okay.
Tell your audience what are your achievements.
My achievements are I have 2 trophies and 8 medals,
Okay.
and I am the only kid in my school who got 72nd rank in the whole India in Olympiads.
Okay. See, guys, if you're watching this video, most of my audience is like of 20 to 30 age in between. So when you were in 4th standard, or let's say when I was in my 4th standard, there were no achievements. Even I don't know how to speak English. And see this kid, he's in only 4th standard. He's having equal good English as like I'm having. So it's a very huge compliment for him. Again, Hiram, you don't have your school today?
No, I took a holiday today
Okay.
because my uncle is coming to meet my little brother
Okay.
who is only 4 months old,
Okay.
and his name is Nirved.
What?
My little brother's name is Nirved.
Nirved.
Yes.
Okay, his
And
little
my
brother
uncle
too.
is coming to see him today.
Okay.
So I said so I told my mother
Hmm.
that I am staying home from school today
Okay.
because he is coming.
Okay.
And
you,
she said yes.
you want to see him?
Yes.
You are so very eager to meet him.
Yes.
Okay. Hiram. So, do you mind if I ask for your introduction to your audience?
Okay.
Yes, you can introduce yourself.
My name is Hirambiraj Kadam, and I am
What? Slowly, go
my
slowly.
my full name is Hiramba Yuvraj Kadam,
Okay.
and I am in 4th grade.
By the way, guys, his mother, Renuka Miss, was my school teacher when I was in of his age. I think 3rd or 5th or 2nd. His mother was our school Marathi teacher, and we both live in the same colony. Our house is also next to each other, so we are having a very cordial relations with each other family. Okay, here. Sorry for the interruption. Okay.
So my section is 4th A,
Okay.
and I am the tallest kid in my class.
Okay.
And
And must be so chubby also.
no,
No?
no,
There are so many others.
no. I'm the chubbiest one is 4th B.
Okay.
He weighs 57.
And what's your weight?
I don't know, around 45 or something.
Okay. That's actually good weight. Okay. Again?
And I like my mother's homemade paneer.
Okay. His favorite recipe dish is paneer.
Yes.
Your homemade.
Yes.
Okay.
Like my
Right.
mother makes it creamy and savory,
Okay.
and I like to eat it with rice,
Okay.
and that's my favorite food.
Okay.
And also
Hmm.
I like chocolate as well.
Chocolates.
Yes.
Which one chocolate? Here?
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Okay. But in morning you are saying that Ferrero Rocher is your favorite chocolate.
Yeah, favorite also is my third.
Third favorite.
Yes.
First is Kit Kat.
Yes.
Okay. What are your hobbies, Hiram?
Like to play football
Okay.
and participate in championships.
Championships. Okay.
Like 2 years ago, I went to Pune for a championship,
Okay.
which I came out with a champions trophy.
Okay.
And my uncle was so proud of me. He bought me a 3,000 rupees Nerf gun. He was that proud of me.
Yeah. Even we are also so proud of you, Hiram, and surely everyone is proud of you, because at your age, means not every kid of your age is that much talented, as
Yes.
you are. So it's a really big compliment and huge achievement for you. And again, what else? Tell something about yourself, audience, to our audience.
And the special thing about me is my mother teaches same school in which
You are also.
Yes.
Yeah. He's in Happy Faces, guys. It is a school in Washim. It is a grade 1 school actually. It's a very good school, completely English school, and he's in CBSE. And his mother also is there. Herself a teacher.
she teaches fifth grade.
Okay. And he's in 4th standard. And I'm sure you are the topper.
Yes, I'm the first topper.
No doubt in that. Okay.
Like previously I got 95 on my exams.
Percentage.
Yes.
Okay. In 3rd standard.
No, fourth.
Yes, 4th standard.
Yes.
You are in right now also in 4th standard. No?
Yes.
Okay. And
In
next,
third I got 98.
in 3rd standard he got 98%. Guys, huge. Which is your favorite subject?
SST.
What?
SST.
SST means social studies and what?
Social studies and maths.
Okay. No. What is the complete full form of SST?
I actually don't know.
Okay.
Because we just say social studies.
Okay. So that is the short form. SST. Okay.
Yes.
And again maths you're talking about.
Yes, maths and English.
What kind of topics are there in maths, Hiram?
We have decimals, perimeter and area, measurement,
Okay.
and all that.
Perimeter and area also.
Yes.
So, do you mind if I ask you some formulas about perimeter of square?
The perimeter square is side plus side plus side plus side.
That is 4 into side.
Yes.
Okay, great. And what is the perimeter of rectangle?
It's actually length plus breadth plus length plus breadth.
That means 2 times length
Yes.
plus breadth.
Yes.
Okay, that is the short form. Okay. Even guys, I am preparing for competitive exams, and there is a chapter mensuration which holds an immense weightage. And in like I am 22 years old, and we are also having the same formulas as he is having. But see, at his age, he got all the formulas on his tip. So yeah, it's a very great and good thing to see. Again, Hiram, which chapter is your favorite in maths?
I think decimals.
Decimals.
Yes.
Okay, decimals is also his favorite chapter. Hiram, apart from studies,
Yes.
what are your particular interests? Like, what are the fields of your interest?
Like I like to draw flags.
You want to what?
I like to draw flags.
Okay, he means you are a good painter or what?
No, I just
You
draw
drawing?
them for fun.
Flags.
Yes.
Flags of every country.
No, I make some countries on my own, and the other countries, the country that exists, I sometimes make their flag.
Okay. Okay, like, guys, this is not a scripted video, and now I am going to ask some rapid fire general knowledge questions to Hiram about whole world. Means random questions of general knowledge. Let's see how good he is in general knowledge. Okay, Hiram. First question goes for you is like, what is the capital of England?
England.
Yes.
That's actually a trick question because the country is not named England.
Okay.
The country's name is United Kingdom.
Okay.
And the capital of United Kingdom is England. That's actually a trick question.
And what is the difference between United Kingdoms and England?
You see, United Kingdom is a name of city and
No, actually,
state.
let me, guys, I wanted to clarify. United Kingdoms means the combination of 3 to 4 nations actually. Ireland, then England.
It's not called
yeah.
Ireland. It is not called Ireland. It's called Northern Ireland.
Yeah, those particular, all the group of these countries located nearby England is called United Kingdoms, and the particular nation is one England, and the capital of England is London, I think, as far as I know. Again, where does England lie, Hiram? In which continent does England lie?
Europe.
Okay, great. Yeah, and then I'm going to ask some questions about football. Okay.
Okay.
Football. When was the last World Cup played?
In 2022,
Okay. Who was the winner?
Argentina.
Argentina. Who was the captain of Argentina at that time?
I think Messi.
Okay. And when is the upcoming World Cup?
This year.
This year, yeah, 2026. Where is it? What is the location? Means where is it gonna held? Which countries are gonna host it?
I don't know where it's gonna be host.
Okay, let me answer this question. Canada, Mexico, and USA are the three nations which are going to host the 2026 World Cup of football. Okay.
I think we should do a challenge. You say the alphabet and I say the country by its name.
Surely,
the
yes,
alphabet.
yes. Let's go.
A for Albania.
Albania. Okay. Z,
Z Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Okay, great. G,
G Guatemala.
yes, true. Then M,
Madagascar.
Madagascar, true. Then S,
Yeah?
S,
Slovakia.
Slovakia. Where is Slovakia located?
It is located in also Europe.
Europe. Okay, European country Slovakia is. Like it's a good question. You're having a very good knowledge, guys. He's only
I
400.
have known the countries of the world since I was like 6 years old.
6 years old. Guys. And what's your age right now?
Huh?
What's your age right now?
11.
Okay. Okay. Video is actually recording. We are going to upload this on YouTube. Okay. My sister is interrupting, guys. Okay. Again. A country from. Is there any country from X?
X.
Yeah.
We only have one country that it doesn't start with X, but it has X in its name.
Which one?
Mexico.
Mexico. Okay. Where is Mexico located? In which continent?
North America.
True. What is the difference between South America and North America continent? Like, what are the major countries in South America and North America?
The major country in North America is United States of America
Okay.
and
South America?
Brazil.
Brazil, yes. Okay, Brazil. Brazil means football. Okay. And then,
I have a question for you.
Yeah,
Who is your favorite player from Brazil?
my favorite player from Brazil. It will go by Rodrigo.
I like Neymar.
I too like Neymar, but Rodrigo is my currently favorite. He plays in Real Madrid. He's a very good winger. Right wing. He plays on right wing. Okay. Which is your favorite footballer from France?
Mbappe.
Mbappe it is. Okay, Mbappe. Which is your favorite club?
Manchester United.
Manchester United is
Manchester
favorite club.
United and Real Madrid.
Have you watched it? Manchester Derby happened a couple of days ago.
No. I
Okay.
didn't.
It was a good game actually. Manchester played very well in that game. Okay. Thereafter, I'm going to ask about some animals. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is the gestation period of elephant?
I'm sorry.
Gestation period. Gestation period. Do you know what the gestation period means?
No.
The gestation period of a particular human being is 9 months. That means they can hold their baby in their belly for 9 months.
Oh.
That is known as gestation period. So what is the gestation period of elephant?
Elephant is big and it's like
Okay.
I think 1.5 years.
It is 22 months, guys. Longest
Oh.
gestation period. Okay. So whale. Whale is a what? Whale is kind of a fish, amphibian, mammal. What is it?
It is an aquatic animal,
Okay.
but it cannot breathe under the water like many fish.
Okay.
It needs to go up.
Okay.
It needs to take some
Oxygen.
oxygen,
Okay.
then go down.
It's a mammal actually. It directly gives birth to the younger one, and the younger one, its child, used to drink milk. Okay, whale used to secrete its milk. Her milk is like very thick, liquidic, and it secretes milk in underwater, guys. It's very majestic, beautiful creature. Whale is. Again, going to ask you about which is the fastest animal on the planet Earth.
Cheetah.
Okay.
With the speed of 72 kilometers per hour.
Yes, true. And then, guys, he's having almost everything knowledge. I am getting in trouble asking him questions. When is your birthday, Haram?
10 September 2015.
10 September. Like it is his born date. You were born in 2015.
Yes.
Okay, this birth date is 2015, guys. In 2015 he got born. Okay, let me talk about that particular guy who used to play cricket. That guy who made the record of being the youngest highest scorer. Do you know him?
I actually know
He
him.
played in IPL and he made a fastest century too.
Yes, I know him, but I don't know the name.
His name is Raghuvanshi something. I don't used to watch cricket, but as far as I know, his name is Raghuvanshi. So I just hope that you can also make some records like as he did. Okay.
I actually don't play cricket.
Okay, made record in football then.
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you like cricket and why you chose cricket or football? Is there any particular reason?
Because football is like it's like easier to play.
Okay.
In cricket you got those essentials, that heavy kit,
Yes.
and I cannot carry that much weight.
Yes.
So I chose football.
Yeah, even I, guys, sorry for my opinion, but I hate cricket. Okay, I hate cricket completely. I hate cricket. I love football. Then I think our video is getting longer, 16 minutes. Okay, so I think I must finish this video, and I will catch Hiram in another video. For then, bye, guys, and it was pleasure talking with you, Hiram.
Thank you.
I hope we can also make some another video sometime.
Okay.
Okay.